Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to find the screen timeout option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 10 minutes in this device. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.